Today we're making Paprik, a spicy and sweet chicken stir-fry that is a Malaysian staple with Thai influences, although I've never actually tasted anything like this in Thailand. Served with rice, this is a meal favorite because it has big flavors, smells incredible, and is super effortless to make, so let's go! I'm using 300 grams of sliced chicken for this recipe. You can use whatever protein you like. Beef or shrimps are other typical protein options. First, you're going to need some Kaffir lime leaves. These are super fragrant, and fun fact, you can freeze these. I always get a big bag and just throw it in my freezer. Then you'll need 1 lemongrass stalk. Take off the hard outer layer, and we're just using the more fragrant bottom part. We also want it bruised. Bruised means that you take the back of your knife or the handle of the knife and just smack the lemongrass stalk. Release some anger here. This is going to also help release the flavor, so win-win. Next, magic sauce. This dish is super easy because you're using sauces you'd already have in your pantry and you're pre-mixing the sauce before you stir fry. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon each of oyster sauce, dark sweet soy sauce, a light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sweet Thai chili sauce. If you don't have Thai chili sauce, just use regular sweet chili sauce, it's fine. Mix that up and set it aside until we're ready to use it. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of dried chili paste, a link somewhere here to make your own easy blend. Veggies. Baby corn is traditionally used, but you can pretty much use whatever vegetables you like. Slice the baby corn this way. I don't know why, this is just how the shops do it. I have some French beans too, sliced about the same length as the baby corn. And finally, some sliced red bell peppers too. I have 2 Thai bird's eye chilies here as well. Just remove the stalks and leave it like that. Okay, let's cook. This is a pretty quick stir frying process. In some oil, we're frying up the sambal chili paste first. Till it's dried up like this, go ahead and add in the lemongrass, chicken, sliced onions, and some garlic. Stir fry all of that together. Next, I toss in the red bell peppers and the green beans. Let's add in our magical paprik sauce now. I want a little more gravy, so I added some water as well, to your preference of gravy level, okay? My baby corn goes in next. Now you'd realize no salt will be needed or added for this dish because the sauce already has enough salt, sugar, and just awesome flavors. Finally, the kaffir lime leaves. Before throwing it in, tear up the leaves to release all of that beautiful fragrance and flavors. I actually added in quite a lot because I have a lot of the kaffir lime leaves and also because it smells really good, you guys. The final touch here is the bird's eye chilies. I'm tossing in the whole chili in like this because it's a lot more decorative than to add any spice to the dish. If you want it spicy, of course, just cut up the chili and you're gonna get some really spicy paprik. And voila, you're basically done. Paprik is not a very well-known Asian dish outside of Malaysia, which is such a shame because it's so easy to make with a lot of complex umami flavors. So you try this, please. Okay, bye.